Hey folks, welcome back to Wray's Garage. Today is part 2 of new wheels. So as you know, or hopefully you know, if not, click here, I think. And I'll post the original video so you can kind of backtrack and catch up. But we got new black Apex race wheels and some new shoes on the Boxer Spider. And finally I got these black lugs, so looks pretty good. But I've got to clean up the rubber yet from when they were applied. The bead is on there, so I got to clean that all up. And then it's been running on it for a little bit, so we're going to see how easily it cleans. So stay tuned and let's check it out. So there's not a ton of miles on this particular set of wheels yet, because I haven't really put it through its paces and put too many miles on there. But if we take a look up close here, you can see how definitely some dirt. So what I'm curious about is whether that ceramic coating lets things get off easier, meaning will the water alone from the power washer get it off, or do I have to still do a fairly thorough clean? So hopefully you can see kind of these grubby parts here, and we'll check it out after. And then of course we've got all this from the installation, so we'll get that all cleaned up too and give you the full unadulterated glory of the wheels, which I've yet to see yet myself. Then to add some excitement to proceedings, we're gonna do a real test. We're gonna see how the ceramic coating holds up to buffalo sauce, stubborn stains like ketchup, and of course, who hasn't had a fight with mustard in their day? Alrighty, let's take the first pass. Put your umbrella up, you might get wet. Afraid of that. I think you got a little bit wet, didn't you? Oh, never mind, I think you can see. So I'll zoom in here. Let's just move you over here. So, yeah. You know what? There's nothing left on there. There might be something to this, folks. So let me clean up the lens. We'll test the other stain fighting messes. Just kidding, we're not gonna do the sauces. I just thought that was cute. See if you agree in the comments below. And then I'm gonna clean this rubber up, wash the car, get the rubber all beautified, and get ready for some beauty shots. Then I'll show you just how good these wheels look in real life. One last step here, we're going to add the hydro protection, Hydrolite, Hydro 2, I don't know what it's called. It's a CalPro product. I'll throw it up on the screen for you. That's just another layer of protection and helps the water bead off. And it's really easy to apply, as you can see, because it's one step. And done. So yeah, car's all cleaned up now, and it's dusking, so I just want to give you a fresh look at the wheels, and then I'll do some glamour shots over the weekend and try and attach those to the video as well. But I wanted you to see this right now. Look at that in all its glory, and that was so easy to clean. Literally use water. I've got ammo mud around the edges. I gotta dry that off actually, it's looking a little wet, so I applied it a little thick, but wheels themselves were really easy. I did the water treatment that you saw, Then I blew it off, and then I just rubbed it down with a microfiber, and boom. Give you a little side profile here. I think that's pretty cool. Hope you like it too.